The ace came out and no one had fucking ace.
I should have got the side pot with you. So if I lose that, I'll get this side pot.
Is that what you thought, honestly?
Yes, you've got the side pot.
Hey, that's a point as well.
You've got the side pot. I've lost that. And I've no.
Very bad.
I've got no way in the world because I've still got 2 outs out, and I've got chips left over.
I never thought of that, but
no, you got 2 outs.
That side pot was against 3 people.
The side pot, no, it gets him only.
No, it gets him as well.
Oh,
1-on-1 only. I just can't understand how that's a bad call.
Listen, there is other.
No way in the world.
The other thing is that if you had a bit lower cards, maybe the call would have been right.
No.
To go against our high cards.
No.
What?
I don't agree with that.
Like, you know what I mean?
No.
We all had pockets.
You know what? Even if you got lower cards, you're still the lowest percentage. I know you're thinking, oh yeah, might he makes a
Bottom line
difference.
is, Kim's got no
Jack
idea.
was still.
Do the calculator and tell me.
No.
I want to
Yeah,
know.
do the cake.
Alright, so I'll do 10s,
I
3s,
still had
King Jack,
1-on-1 with him.
and then do it with like a low cards.
Yeah,
just to see.
because I still had 1-on-1, so I've got
No,
this
you're
pot.
making a point. I'm not.
I just can't say how I did one.
I'm thinking.
If I had any shit.
My point is, I would have played that
listen,
after third person.
Your
Your
fourth call.
Alright.
Alright, we raised 200, you matched the 200.
Which is fair
He's scored all in 1600.
Yeah.
He's matched 1600.
Yeah,
Okay?
alright.
I've caught 1600.
You've caught on top, so you've got that side pot happening already. Okay. You've got more than that.
I've got 500, but
Alright.
I've called all in to see 500. No, he still had 500, don't forget that.
That's when I knew I was gone.
He had when he had 300, he's got 300 left. Don't forget, he's called.
I saw you. I
but
got
he's
yours
going-
one. We've had
Right, we're talking about the side pot now, alright? So I'm going now, alright?
Don't forget, you're still going to match the 1600. They're
Yeah. Alright.
Look,
If I lose with them, alright?
Don't get me picking
If
on
I
this,
lose
right?
with them, I've still got a chance to
Oh,
redeem
scratch
myself
on
with
that.
the side pot.
He's got the
With the
face
king
to it.
jack.
okay,
Yeah,
but you're still losing. You're still
it
losing
bad?
the majority of your pot to the main
Yeah,
pot.
but it's a mad
that you're
pot
up
to
against
win.
4 people.
It's a good risk to take the pot. You got to work on the money
Pot
that's
odds.
involved.
But
You've
it's
got
not
to
pot. No, it's not pot odds because pot odds is
It
when
is, because
you're
everyone's
sacrificing.
gone here.